Hello friends, our today topic is slow and the fast beats. So you can read this. The tempo marking at the beginning of the piece usually tells you the player whether the speed of the beat, quiver, crotchet or minim, as shows or slow or fast. A piece in 3/8 can be very slow if marked adagio, and a piece in 2/2 can be very fast indeed if marked allegro. That we know the adagio means slow and the allegro means fast. Rest is about the time signature and the tempo marking. Uh, Main thing you have to see what is your tempo marking over there, the beats per minute. Okay, that is 100 here, 100 crotchet beat and 100 minim beats. So in simple language, if I say they what they meant to say, how will you find that either it is fast or slow? Imagine you feel that minim or a half note is 100 beat per minute, say 60 beat per minute. Okay. Now, and if you say the crotchet beat, same 60 beat per minute. So let's write BPM and BPM. So you might feel that this is a half note slower than the quarter beat 60 bpm, but that is wrong. See, actually you're playing 60 bpm note. So imagine you're playing these four crotchet beats. So you go 1 2 3 4, but within this time you're playing the half note. 1 2 3 4. Now the one half note is equal to, so actually you're playing 8 quarter notes within the span of that 4 quarter note. So if you say actually you're playing more notes here within that time signature of minim than the crotchet. So that means this one is faster than this one. So only your time note value does not matter. It is the speed also. Okay. You have to check that. So if you see here, they all are the quarter notes. Okay. Or a crotchet beat. So what you have to do here, the slowest, you have to write the fastest first. So fastest after 112, then it will be your 100. So we have to make all crotchet beat here. After 100 it should be 72, then 60, and then 48 should be the slowest one. I will put a video of marking it after this so you can listen to that. Now in this one, they all are minim beats only, so there is not big difference. So fastest are the highest. So fastest would be 148. Okay. So then as we go downwards slower, it should be 132, 120, then 60, then 48 should be the slowest one. Okay. Now next one, if we go, now here they have given the mix. So now this is a tricky part they have done. So now imagine there is a 60 8 note. Okay. So these two are equal to one crotchet. Okay. One crotchet beat. So if you imagine if you're playing this eighth note 60 times in a minute, that means you're playing quarter notes. How many? How many quarter notes will you be playing? That means you'll be playing 30. Okay. And if you're playing this, that means you'll be playing only 15 half notes or a minim, because they are all getting equally divided, because one half note is equal to 2 crotchet beat and 2 crochet beat is equal to 2 quavers or eighth note. So we have to see, can you see the numbers here? This 15 is as equal as this 60. Okay. So don't get confused with the numbers here. You have to actually see that which beat is fast. So now if we do it, if you have to solve it, uh, let's find out the slowest one. So slowest one should be 48. This should be 48. Okay. Then next one should be, if we go 60 of, this should be next slow one, because this will be minimum as 30 quarter beats. Okay. Or 30 crochet beats in 1 minute. So we don't have anything less than that. All is big. Now after this, if we say go to the crochet beat, so we have only one crochet beat, that is 84. So 84 crochet beat will be the next one, because 84 crochet beat is equal to 42 minims in a minute. So that is why this is faster. Now after this, definitely we have minim beat, that is 72, and then 112. Okay. So I hope you understood that this 184 quarter beat or crochet beat in a minute is slower than the, is equal as 42 minim beat in a minute. So we don't have anything 42 here, less than 42. It's all are more than 42, the minims we have here. So that is why this one is slower than this one. Okay. Now next one, arrange the metronome marking in order to speed check. Okay, so same thing, we're going to do it here. Yep. So fastest we have to keep. So fastest would be definitely your minim beat, that is 112. Then now this one, this 48 is equal to 96. So 96 crochet beat. So if we see here, yeah, so after this we see 96 BPM, beat per minute. But more than this, we have quarter beat, which is 120. So that means we have to put after, because okay, this one 112 is, if you into to 2 multiply by 2 beats, this becomes 224 beat per minute, which is a maximum. Okay, then if you, same thing we did here, we multiply this 2, become 96 BPM crochet beat, but we have 120 130 crochet beat. So after this, the fastest one would be 132, then the crochet beat 120, then we will have, a minim beat, which is equal to 48. Okay, and at the last we will have the eighth note. Okay, let's move to the next one. Okay, same. So we have to take the line of music with the fastest beat per minute. Okay, now let's see. So this is 66, this is minim 120, and this is crochet beat 76. If we divide two of them, so if you divide this one with 2, so it becomes 33 crochet beat per minute. Okay, so we'll calculate them as a crochet beat. So this is crochet 33 become, now if we'll multiply this with 2, so this one become 240 crochet beat per minute, and this is 76 beat per minute. Okay, So in total, if you see, take the line of music with the fastest beat per minute. So we know that Allegro 120 is the fastest. So we tick on that. Yeah, so I hope you have understood this one. If you have any questions regards to this slow and fast beat, please let me know in the comment section. So now I'll see you there. Okay. Till then, thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe as much as you can. That's gonna help me out to grow my channel and help me out to make more videos for you. See you in the next video. Till then, thank you.